They say we are blinded by passion, that we open to restaurants and bars just to chase a dream, that we don't understand business, destined to fail, but they don't see what we see. The long night, the empty chairs, the quiet fear that tomorrow might be our last serve. They don't get it, but we do. Everyone, a Singaporean who loves to eat and drink. Every restaurant that closes down doesn't just mean another failed business. It means one less place for us to gather, laugh, and share memories. And honestly, I am tired of watching the dining scene shrink because passionate owners are burning out. We can't let this continue. Recent an associate professor said F&B owners were blinded by their passion and their dreams of being their own boss. That we got into this business for ego, not logic. Maybe that's what they think from their air-conditioned office. But we know the truth. We're not blinded by passion, we're driven by it. We fight because we love what we do. But passion alone isn't enough anymore. The real enemy isn't passion. The real enemy is the system that keeps us overworked, understaffed, and constantly one crisis away from collapse, while others sit around analyzing why we fail. We'll be busy building systems that make us unstoppable. This is where automation comes in. AI isn't here to replace your people. It's here to protect your dream. Imagine a booking assistant that handles reservations, even when your team is slammed. A digital receptionist that answers enquiries when your staff focus on service. An AI system that follows up with customers automatically, keeps your table full and your brand alive. That professors can write all the reports they want. We'll write our own success stories with AI as our secret weapon. So if you're tired of being misunderstood, if you're ready to prove that passion isn't a weakness, but your greatest strength, click the link in the description below for a free AI automation analysis. Let's show them that Singapore's F&B owners aren't fading away. They are evolving. This isn't the end of an era. It is the beginning of a smarter,